welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be creating a 70s design. A few of my nail sisters have got together and we're doing a little collab. So there's Vicky, Emma and Anne-Marie. Anne-Marie and Emma haven't got YouTube channels, they upload on Instagram and Facebook, so I shall leave the link to their social media in the description box below so you can go over and check their designs out, and I shall also leave Vicky's YouTube and Instagram in there as well. So please head over and check everyone else's designs out. Everyone done an absolutely amazing job. Really cool designs. I'm going to insert an inspo picture in the top left hand corner of the screen so you can see what kind of idea I was going with. Right, so to start with, I'm applying a coat of the Mapphie gel polish colour 022, which is this nude colour, and I've applied 2 coats there, but I only showed you me doing 1 coat, guys, just to save time. Now I'm applying this matte top coat. I really like this matte top coat. It's usually the matte top coat that I go for when I'm doing any artwork on top of it. It's not really porous. It just leaves a really nice smooth base to work on. So I'm just going to apply 1 coat of that to all 4 nails, and then I shall cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I've pulled out my palette, what the lovely Aggie made me, thank you chick. I'm going to apply a drop of this Umikk U082, which is their really nice brown, as nice as browns go. U249, which is an orange. I'm going to be using all Umikk gel polishes. This is, what colour is that? U248. I think the next one's U247. Yes. So you'll see there that I've put 2 yellows on my palette. I couldn't decide which one I was going to use, but I ended up using the U247, which is the last one that I applied. And now I'm using a long striping brush or a liner brush, and I'm just going to be painting some wavy lines on the nails. So I'm going to do all the brown lines first, and then I'll do the yellow lines, and then I'll do the orange. I mean, once you've done like 1 line here, you can flash cure that. If you feel like you're going to knock it, you can just pop it in the lamp for like 10 to 12 seconds, you know, just to hold it in place so you don't knock it. But I didn't feel like I was going to knock it. If any of you noticed, I'm using my new hand. This is the first time I've used it, guys, and you know what? I really like working on it. I love how the fingers are all spread out. They just don't get in the way at all. Really enjoyed working on it. So what I did, after each colour I just flash cured it because I didn't want the colours to run into each other. Right guys, I shall let you get on and watch this bit, and I shall speed it up, and I shall pop back in a minute.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life is sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah. Don't need no stress, got nah. Just me and your son's alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and bitter. Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go?
So that's the lines all painted. Now they're going to get a full cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm using the Rosalind Gem Glue, and I'm going to be creating a cuticle crown on this pointer finger, and then I'm going to do a little cluster on the ring finger. So I'm using, these are just glass crystals what I've got from Aliexpress, but they're super shiny. Really nice crystals actually. I only paid like, I think about £1 for them. And you get, I don't know, probably 400 or 500 crystals, all different sizes. I've bought quite a few crystals off Aliexpress now, and I've been really happy with them. They've all turned up and they've been really shiny. For me, because I don't have clients, I just do not see the point in forking out for Swarovski crystals and paying a lot of money for crystals, because all I'm doing is sticking them on tips. I very even rarely put them on my own fingernails, to be honest, because I can't stand the feel of them. So yeah, I'm usually just applying them on tips and stuff, so I just don't see the point in forking out a lot of money for them, especially when you can get them cheap enough on AliExpress and they look good enough as well. So I'm just starting off by putting a bigger crystal in the middle, and then as they go down the sides, they're getting smaller, and I'm just alternating the colours, and then I'm leaving a gap between these two here, because you'll see there in a minute I'm going to be putting a teardrop shape crystal in between them two. I actually really enjoyed doing this. I'm definitely going to start doing a lot more with crystals, because I've got quite a lot now, and I just think they look so pretty. So pretty. So yeah, I think you're going to see me doing a lot more with crystals, guys, in upcoming videos. So once I've got them crystals all where I want them, I shall then cure that gem glue in the lamp for 60 seconds. And that's them all done, guys. What do you think? Let me know in the comments your thoughts. They're not really my cup of tea. I'm not really into them sort of colours or anything, but I had a lot of fun creating them, so that's the main thing. Like I said at the beginning of the video, guys, this was a little collab a few of us took part in, so I shall leave the links to everyone else's social media in the description box below. So please head over there and check theirs out, and if you don't already know them, please give them a follow. And yeah, that's everything for this video. I really hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.